Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries inside of a television remote control. Remote controls across the board typically have the same operation when it comes to replacing the batteries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the remote control over, and right here is the cover for the batteries. Now, you'll typically want to replace the batteries once they drain and no longer are able to power the remote control, to turn the channels, to power it on, to increase or decrease the volume, to mute it, to channel list it, settings, sleep, exit, return, guide, info, or source. So you'll have to replace the batteries, and what I'll do is I'll turn the remote over, and there is a cover right here, and what I'll do is I'll take my finger, press down on this, and push it forward. When I push it forward, the cover comes off and the old batteries are exposed. And in order to get these out, if you have fingernails like I do, you'll simply find the spring-loaded end. You can see on this battery right here, it is on this side. And I'll go to the opposite side, and I'll take my fingernail, and I'll wedge it between the battery and the back side of the remote, and I'll push it forward, and I'll lift up, and I'll pull the battery out. And as I lift this out, you'll see that there is a nipple side right here. This side is opposite of the spring, and there's a flat side. The flat side goes against the spring. And I'll place this down right here, and I will go and find the other battery. Typically, modern remotes only have 2 batteries, but some remotes may have more or less, depending on the manufacturer and the model of the remote. And I'm going to continue with the same process that I used on the first battery by taking my fingernail, wedging it between the battery and the remote, pushing down and pulling out. And there's the flat side, and there's a spring. Now, once I've taken these batteries out, if they are no longer usable, I'll discard of it, and I'll bring in some fresh batteries. And with the fresh batteries, I will take them and I'll insert the batteries back. So this is the flat side of the battery. That's a spring. Put the battery in like this, nipple side on my finger right there. Press down, push in, and it is in place. And then I'll take the second battery and I'll do the exact same thing. Flat side, push down, press in. And then I'll take the cover of the battery, and what I'll do is line it up. And typically, most remotes have a similar process to where it slides and locks into place. So I'll take this, place it there, right there. You see how part of it is hanging over the edge. Make sure it aligns. Then I'll take this entire back side, clicks in right there. It's in place, and I can use the remote to change the channel, turn down the volume, turn up the volume, mute it, channel list, pre-channel, source, power it on, settings, sleep function, guide, info, return, exit, etc., etc., etc.